Hi guys, it's Jason. I'm back again today to give you another lesson and improve your English skills. Today we're going to look at two different verb tenses. We're going to look at present perfect tense and past tense verbs. So these two verbs can be used in very similar situations. However, before we get to present perfect, let's take a quick reminder on what some past tense verbs look like. So take a look at these 6 verbs I have here. You're going to notice that 3 of them have something in common. But if you look at this, first I watch, and yesterday I watched. Today I talk, and yesterday I talked. Today I ship, and yesterday I shipped. So I wonder, do you see what these 3 words have in common? We'll come back to that in a minute. How about these 3? Today I clean, and yesterday I cleaned. Today I save, and yesterday I saved. Finally, today I close, and yesterday I closed. All right, but we're not done. Here are 6 more for you. Today I visit, yesterday I visited. Today I need, yesterday I needed. Today I want, yesterday I wanted. And finally, the last 3, today I try, yesterday I tried. Today I carry, yesterday I carried. And finally, today I worry, and yesterday I worried. Now, all of these verbs, we make them from going from present tense to past tense by adding an ed at the end. But you might hear there's a different sound for each of these. So watched, talked, shipped. All 3 of these end in ed that sounds like a T. Shipped, walked. And then we have cleaned, saved, and closed. This one sounds like a D. Just cleaned, saved. Finally, the last 3, we have visited, needed, wanted. All 3 of these end with an id sound, an id sound. Now, the last 3 I threw in there, present tense, it ends in a y. But past tense, it changes it to I and then ed. So tried, carried, worried, all of the D sound, but we put an IED in there. So these are all regular past tense verbs. But one of the things that makes English very difficult is there are a lot of irregular past tense verbs as well. So let's look at some of those. So today I bite my finger. Yesterday I bit my finger. Today I go to the store. Yesterday I went to the store. Today I lose my weight. Yesterday I lost my weight. Today I cut a picture out. Yesterday I cut a picture out. No change. Today I draw a picture. Yesterday I drew a picture. And finally, today I throw a football. Yesterday, I threw a football. Here are a few more examples for you. Okay? Today, I drive my car. Yesterday, I drove. Today, I eat pizza. Yesterday, I ate. Today, I fall in love. Yesterday, I fell in love. Today, I pay for my haircut. Yesterday, I paid for my haircut. Today, I know my wife loves me. Yesterday, I knew she loved me too. And today, I write a journal. Yesterday, I wrote a journal. So irregular verbs, there are a lot of them in English. This is just a popular sample of them. And I'm sorry, there's no really good clue. How do you memorize them? Because they follow all kinds of rules. All right, so right now I want to look at past tense and a past participle. Believe it or not, every verb has three forms: present tense, the past tense, and the past participle. Often, past tense and past participle are the same. Not always. So take a look at this. Today I agree. I agreed yesterday, and I have agreed. Today I bring. Yesterday I brought, and I have brought. Today I eat. Yesterday I ate, and I have eaten. Today I fly. Yesterday I flew, and I have flown. Today I put. Yesterday I put, and I have put. Today I sing. Yesterday I sang, and I have sung. So you will see agreed, agreed, brought, brought. But we have eat, ate, eaten, fly, flew, flown. So sometimes past tense and the past participle are the same. Definitely not always. Now, how do we use past tense and the present perfect differently? That's very complicated, so hopefully you understand when I explain to you now. Past tense talks about things that happened in the past, but now they're over. So it's done. We're not doing it anymore. It's finished completely. The past or the present perfect talks about things that started in the past, but it continues right now. Now, when we make a past tense verb, that's pretty simple actually. So we just say that today I eat pizza, yesterday I ate pizza. The participle, if you noticed when I gave the participles in the last slide, you always start with either have or has. So I have, you have, he has, she has, and then the participle, has eaten, have sung, has flown, okay? Now let me give you some different examples, okay? Take a look at these two sentences. First, I drank coffee in college. I finished college a long time ago. I drank coffee in college. But I have drunk coffee since 1993. 1993, I was a freshman in college. I started drinking coffee then. I still drink coffee now. So I drank coffee in college. College is done. But I have drunk since 1993. How about this one? I saw Star Wars on TV in 1980. I love the movie Star Wars. I saw it on TV 45 years ago. Oh my goodness, I'm getting old. 45 years ago, I saw Star Wars on TV. But 1980 is past. It's a long time ago. But I have seen Star Wars dozens of times, many, many times. I have seen Star Wars, and I will continue to watch Star Wars. I will see it again this year, next year, and in the future. I first ate a Hawaiian pizza in Seattle. When my family moved to Seattle, we saw that they put pineapple on pizza. We thought it's crazy. But the first time I ate Hawaiian pizza was in Seattle when I was a little boy. But I have eaten pizza, Hawaiian pizza, for years. So I had cheese pizza today, but I have eaten Hawaiian pizza for many years. And hopefully I'll have Hawaiian pizza again soon. All right, I have 6 more for you. Did you ask her last night? This is a question. Did you ask her last night? Here, Have you asked her yet? Did you ask her last night? Well, last night is past. It's done. Have you asked her yet? So my friends asked me, did you ask Michelle to marry you yesterday? I said, no, I didn't. But they could also say, have you asked Michelle to marry you yet? So means, is it happened yet? So means it will happen at some point, hopefully. Thankfully, she said yes. How about this question? Did you work in high school? Well, again, many of us have already finished high school. So did you work in high school? High school is gone. It's in the past. Have you worked here long? So let's say that a new teacher comes to my school and she asks me, Jason, how long have you taught here? Well, I started teaching here a long time ago. I still teach here now. So have you worked here long? All right, last one. Did you read my email? Did you read it? Past tense. Did you work here? Past tense. Did you ask? Past tense. But make it present perfect. Have you read Harry Potter? Oh, I love the Harry Potter books. I've read them many times. But maybe you don't like to read books. Maybe Harry Potter's too difficult for you. So you can ask a person, have you read the Harry Potter books yet? Okay? So maybe you did in the past. Maybe you haven't yet. But good news, you're still alive. You still have a chance to read them. All right. That's going to wrap it up for us today. Past tense and present perfect, it is confusing, but there is an important difference between the two. So if you understood this video, congratulations, you did a fabulous job. Remember, if you have any questions at all, please put a comment on the bottom. I'll be happy to answer it for you. Otherwise, you have a terrific day. And next time, we're going to talk to you about months. Take care. Bye.